iMyFone DreamVid AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market. And in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. If you're considering whether iMyFone DreamVid AI is the right tool for you, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it can revolutionize the way you work with video content. First off, iMyFone DreamVid AI is designed to make video editing more accessible using cutting-edge AI technology. It allows users, from beginners to experts, to create professional-grade videos with minimal effort. But here's the real kicker. It does this in ways that other video editing tools just can't match. One of the biggest draws is its ability to automate time-consuming tasks, such as cutting, trimming, and even adding transitions. This means you can create polished content much faster than with traditional editing software. If you're someone who struggles with complicated timelines and layers, DreamVid AI's intuitive interface is a game changer. Next, let's talk about its AI-powered voiceover and script generation features. DreamVid AI can analyze the content you provide and generate a voiceover script that matches the tone and intent of your video. This feature alone saves hours of work, especially for content creators who need to produce high volumes of videos. Plus, the AI-generated voiceovers are surprisingly natural sounding. What's also impressive is the software's ability to sync video with voiceovers. You don't have to worry about aligning visuals with your audio manually. The AI does it all in a way that feels seamless, which is especially useful when you're working with multiple clips or when your video includes dynamic elements like motion graphics or animations. Another standout feature of DreamVid AI is its advanced scene recognition technology. It can automatically detect the key scenes in your footage and suggest edits or transitions. This feature is perfect for those who want to streamline their workflow and avoid spending hours sifting through raw footage. With DreamVid AI, your editing time is drastically reduced without sacrificing quality. If you're worried about customization, don't be. While the AI does most of the heavy lifting, DreamVid still gives you full control over the final output. Whether it's adjusting the pacing, changing the voiceover style, or fine-tuning transitions, DreamVid AI lets you make tweaks to ensure the final video matches your vision. Now, if you're a marketer or business owner, you'll find that DreamVid AI is a huge asset. It can help you create videos quickly for ads, product demos, and social media content. The software even comes with built-in templates for popular video formats, so you can get started with minimal setup. Whether you're in digital marketing or just looking to improve your video content, DreamVid AI is versatile enough to meet your needs. But here's the kicker that most users don't realize. DreamVid AI is incredibly easy to learn. Even if you're new to video editing, the software's straightforward interface and AI-driven features mean you don't need to be an expert to create professional results. The learning curve is almost non-existent, which makes it a great choice for those who are just getting started. Now, before I get into my final thoughts, I want to let you know that you can try iMyFone DreamVid AI for completely free through the link in the description. This is a great way to see if it's the right fit for your video editing needs. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that DreamVid AI stands out because it strikes the perfect balance between power and ease of use. It's a must-try if you want to create high-quality videos in record time. And if you're looking for more great AI tools, be sure to check out my recommended list below. You can try them for free too. Thanks for watching.